Hello CPC folks, shall we play some MIDI on the CPC? Alright, let's do that. So what we set up here is a CPC and a LambdaSpeak FS, which we put in MIDI mode, which is just, a serial interface receiving MIDI messages over that little MIDI breakout board into its UART, its serial connector.
Start with 255. Serial interface active at 31,000. 250 baud, 8 bits, 1 stop bits, and no parity. Direct mode.
So the MIDI input port here is connected to a Roland USB MIDI interface, which goes into my laptop, and so I'm going to stream MIDI songs into the CPC, which is now listening for MIDI messages, and will be playing them back using its internal Soundchip. So here we already see that the MIDI timecode messages are being received over the serial interface by LambdaSpeak FS from the MIDI interface. And now let's stream some MIDI data from this PC into the CPC, which will then play it. So how about the entertainer? The polyphony of the MIDI is of course limited to 3 voices because CPC does not have more. The Soundchip has only 3 voice polyphony. However, you notice that we also have an output MIDI cable connected here, and so the machine code program is actually echoing back every received MIDI message byte to the output port. So this is implementing what's called MIDI SOFT THROUGH. And so the cable, the output cable, goes into my Roland Sound Canvas, and if I turn the volume up here, you will hear that it's actually playing along. I can turn down the CPC volume, then you can hear it clearly. So it's playing in unison with the CPC. We can also change the envelope. I only have 2 envelopes in this little CPC synthesizer demo program. That's another envelope here. Of course it doesn't work very well. This is more like a string-like envelope. Back to the original one. So yeah, that's going surprisingly well. And of course you have, plenty of MIDI songs to play with now. For example, here's another one. Alright folks, thanks for watching.